Hello everyone, welcome to my Delicious Food Fusion YouTube channel. I request everyone to please subscribe to my channel as I'll be showing some of the delicious recipes. Now let's get started. Take a mixing bowl and add the cornstarch, add half bowl of rice flour, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, add 1 teaspoon of garam masala, add 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and add few cumin seeds into it and mix it well. Now pour water and mix all the ingredients which we have put. Mix the batter well such that the consistency should come like this. Now add 250 grams of paneer. Mix the paneer and the batter well. After mixing the paneer in the batter, now add some salt according to your taste. Take a frying pan and put the oil. Heat it and then put the paneer into the pan for frying. Turn on the heat to the high flame and allow the paneer to fry until it turns into golden brown. Now you can see that the paneer has become golden brown. Now I'm adding another set of paneer into it. After the paneer is completely fried, it becomes golden brown like this. At this time you have to remove the paneer and it becomes like this golden brown. And now take a pan, add oil and put the green chilies into it. Now put the coriander leaves, the freshly chopped coriander leaves, and then saute it well. Now add the paneer which we have fried and then mix it well with the sauteed coriander leaves and the chili. This fried paneer will become very crispy and crunchy, and you can feel it when you have a bite after it's done. It's very good for the evening snack. At the end, now add a bit of lime juice for taste. Just squeeze the lime all over the paneer in the frying pan and then mix it well, and now it's ready to eat. Serve it with sauce and now enjoy your snack. I request everyone to please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and then hit the bell button for getting the regular updates.